thought it was a cop, but I'm good.
So I know I can't stay, but I'm terrified of walking away. How do I start over? How do I find closure? Staring at the ceiling while all my walls are screaming. How do I reopen my baggage you've been holding? Let somebody else see me and then hand over my feelings. How do I?
It's okay, I've known this was coming for a while now. Your smile's been different whenever I would come around. But I love you enough to let you go. I know it's gonna hurt, but it's unbearable to hold someone who doesn't want me anymore. My feelings. How do I delete all your pictures?
And give back your t-shirt. How do I turn the page and walk away from all the you don't say I'm think I left my sweater back at your house. Bluffing, I just wanna keep you around. Could we pour something we can barely pronounce? It was difficult to say I love you out loud. Been a minute since I went and took the love route. But you visit and you kiss away my self-doubt. Any closest to the sidewalk when we go out. You see me in everything you do, how you call my name. Sunday afternoon, come and make it rain. Let the flowers bloom, ease my pain. Always tell the truth, can you answer me? What is it you see? What is it you see? Tell me, what do you believe in? Would you keep your schedule free for me? I love to hear you pleasing me. Get deep for me. This kind of love is free in me. Come listen, you can speak to me. Tell me what it is you need from me. In any other universe, I'd find you. I'm falling, you're my favorite thing.
That light long as frick for no reason.
Tell me, what do you believe in? Would you keep your schedule free for me? I love to hear you pleasing me. Get deep for me. This kind of love is free. This kind of love is free. Yes, yes, yes. Tell me what it is you need from me. What is it you see in me? Tell me, what do you believe in me? Would you keep your schedule free for me?
don't know where I'm at, okay? But it's pretty out here. Look at this. Alright, I know where I'm going now. I'm just start cruising.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Don't let somebody so I'm next up. Be damned if I let them catch up.
It's easy to see that you're fed up. I am on a whole nother level.
Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy.
Pull up skirt, get in the right.
Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, tell him just listen. Loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switching lanes in a day. So fire, baby, no propane. Got good pussy, girl, can I be framed? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint. But he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you a word, baby, when you get space. Pen gang, give me laid, baby, that's penetrate. Oh, baby.
Bro, I have no clue where I am, but it's so beautiful over here, bro. Oh my gosh.
H-Town got a nigga so throw. Pull up, we can party some more. Yeah, got this drink in my cup. Got a young nigga feeling so throw. Spit fire in the world so cold. Young money got a nigga feeling no. Spit fire in the world so cold. H-Town got me feeling so throw. H-Town got me feeling.
No, I'm here to stay. You don't have to hide what's deep inside. I feel your heartbeat every time. Even if you run, I'll still be right here.
Waiting with open arms, no fear.
Ain't no way you don't feel me, see me. I'm the love that you pray for, baby. The safe place you can breathe. Ain't no way you can leave me after everything I've shown. Girl, your soul already knows. There's no way you don't love me. I know those nights when you can't.
Imagine there's a cop right in front of me.
You replay me.
Never mind, I'm not gonna say nothing like that. I take that back.
But let me rewrite what they tore apart. in your heart. If it takes forever, I'll wait right here.